Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 65 registered Mini 1. Now this is finished in midnight black metallic and is sat on the upgrade black alloy wheels as well. Let's have a look around her. Now she's a lovely 65 plate car. The wheels are all in fantastic condition and they are riding on 16-inch alloys in great order. The black metallic finish is a factory option. If you have a read of the advert on Alpha Motors' own website, you'll see I've detailed the factory options on this one. So ash midnight black metallic, black wheels and air conditioning, just to name but a few. Paintwork's in lovely order. 52,000 miles just over this vehicle's done, so very nice mileage for a 2015 reg car, so 8 years old nearly. Quite surprising that, isn't it? But when you take a look at the paintwork, it's in wonderful condition. Great cars these, the Mini 1 being a low insurance vehicle, ideal for those young drivers or second vehicles. This is a 1.2 engine, so they are fantastic on fuel, 3-cylinder, very nice to drive. Lovely size boot as well, so you can still fit all your shopping and your visits to the Trafford Centre in there, or the local shops. Trafford Centre, for those who are not from the local, is the big shopping centre in Manchester. So looking down the driver's side as well, that is in wonderful condition. A beautiful paintwork all round, fully machine polished and in exceptional order. Now I've got 2 keys in my pocket. We've got the book pack, etc. Everything is here. What was new is available still today. But looking all around, this lovely cloth interior, Firework cloth it's called, so the stitching goes very light and then goes orange, but nice all round that. Wonderful interior. Just have a look at that. It's a non-smoked-in car as well, and as I jump in there, because I've got the keys in my pocket, I can just press this little button here, dip the clutch, and you're all ready to go. So we've got 52,186 miles. Oh, the door is open, it's telling me, there you go, 52,186. All the controls are in nice order. 6-speed manual transmission, Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio. We then have the auxiliary and USB also there. Air conditioning, again a nice option. So book pack, locking wheel nut key, Mini excited. You can change the colour around that screen there, everything you need it to be. There you go, 42.8 miles to the gallon. The last owner's been getting at 24 miles an hour. It's alright, isn't it? Can't quib at that. I don't smoke and I can tell the last owner wasn't a smoker. Still smells new in here. Interior is wonderful. The seats are all beautiful, no marks, scratches, plucks, tears. A very nice car. Just have a look in there. Absolutely, genuinely lovely. Come and view it without any disappointments, this one. It's absolutely immaculate. Lovely interior. Very nice indeed. But yeah, what more can I say other than you will not be disappointed in this car whatsoever. They're getting few and far between these now at this age, with nice miles and in lovely condition in a great colour combination. Have a look on eBay. You can buy lots of nice things for a Mini. You can buy mirror caps that have got flags on and bits of this, bonnet stripes. They're a very nice car just to use and shall we say pimp up in your own style. You see the Cooper S in the background there with a few bits on it. Anyway, my name's Graham. We've got Dom and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Take a look at our social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK who've reserved the car with us. So give us a call. We'll take a £250 deposit. That then reserves the car so that you come to Wigan and we'll have it ready for you when you get here. And then obviously you can drive away in the same day. Got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a price over the phone. If you need finance, we'll also can give you a quote at the same time. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.